Every day, we are faced with flood of information, and our ability to understand, evaluate, and use evidence is becoming very essential. This is not just a skill for scientists, it is a survival skill for everyone. From TikTok news headline to academic papers, we are surrounded by claims and statistics and stories. But there is a problem. Some of these information are not reliable. Some of them are very misleading, and some of them are just noise. And without right tools, it is very hard to tell the difference. Without evidence literacy, when you don't understand how to read and interpret evidence, we fall into traps. We believe things that aren't true. We make decisions, very important decision that doesn't work. And we waste time, money, opportunities, and sometimes these wastes happen without even realizing it. With evidence literacy, there is another way. When you become evidence literate, we become smarter decision makers. We learn to ask questions wisely. We recognize quality and base our actions to what really works. In research, in life, in policy, in everything in life, this mindset gives you the power. That's why evidence literacy matters. It's not just memorizing the fact. It's about thinking clearly, asking the right questions, and using evidence with confidence. Whether you are a student, a researcher, a policymaker, or just curious, it's your time to join the Academy. At Academy, we are on a mission to teach the world how to think with evidence. No jargon, no formulas, real-world practical skills to help you become a voice of clarity in a noisy world. Welcome to the Age of Evidence. This is Dr. Robat at MetaSyn Academy, and stay tuned for our next episode at the Age of Evidence.